Hi everyone, so I'm here with Gizmo and Jafar, and these two are in need of a bath. And if you want to find out how I bath my boars, then I do have a video on that. So if you want to click on Gizmo now, it will take you to a video of me bathing Snoopy, or I'll also leave the link in the description bar. Hello. So the usual products I use are Swarfega for cleaning their grease glands, and until recently I used this shampoo, which I'm not really the biggest fan of, and then I was using Gorgeous Guineas, which I really like. But today, as a substitute for Swarfega, I'm going to be using this product from Galens Garden, which I'm really excited about using, because although Swarfega works really well and it's non-abrasive and it is safe to use, it's not the most natural product, and the guinea pigs don't really like the smell, so I'm really excited to be able to try something different instead of Swarfega. So I'm going to show you how I use this and how well it works for me, and then I will compare it to using Swarfega. So just from the packet, I love how the design is really simple, and it's got easy to follow instructions on the back. And then in the way of shampoo, I will be using this shampoo, which is Nettle and Rosemary Shampoo, again by Galens Garden, and it's a 100ml bottle, and the website is www.poundpidpiggies.co.uk, and I'm really excited about using this too. It looks really natural, and I'm going to see how well it works with the boys. So on the back of the packet it says to apply around the edge of the grease spot and kind of work it in and leave it to work for 20 minutes. So I've got a little playpen down there which I'm going to put him in for 20 minutes while it's working. So I'm just going to open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like inside. It's kind of a pale, kind of creamy yellow colour, and it looks really nice. It smells really mild. I'll show you what Gizmo's doing, which I'm really excited about, because the guinea pigs, because the guinea pigs really didn't like the smell of the Swarfega, and it kind of, I think it added to their kind of, they get a bit worked up when they have a bath, and I think it added to that, the strong smell of the Swarfega. So I'm really excited to try this now. So I've worked it in as best as I can on Gizmo, who is an awful model. He's a proper wriggler, but we've just worked it in around his grease spot there. So now I'll put him back into his playpen for 20 minutes, and then I'll give him a bath with the nice shampoo. Hey! He's so cute. He's absolutely awful when it comes to bath time. He's a little wriggler. So I think I will do Jafar's grease spot now. So I've taken the pig loo out as well, just so I can keep an eye on him, because I don't want him to try and lick it off himself. So now I've got little Jafar. I'm just going to do his grease spot. Hello! These two are the worst for modelling. You're so cute. So it's been 20 minutes and I'm now going to take out Gizmo. I'm going to scrape off any of the butt balm, and then I'm going to stick him in the bath to rinse it off. So I've just washed the butt balm off Gizmo's bum, and it's actually cut through the grease really well, which I'm really pleased about. So his grease spot is all nice and clean, and now I'm going to give the shampoo a go. So normally I'd squirt a little bit on my hand and then work it into him, but I'm filming with one hand, so I've only got one hand to work with. Oh! Good boy. Good boy. So automatically this is smelling really, really nice. It smells quite herby. It smells really yummy actually. You can smell good for once. So I'm just going to stop the camera now and really work it into his fur. Oh. So I've now finished giving Gizmo and Jafar a bath, so I thought I'd tell you what I think of the products. And I'll start with the butt balm, and I'm really, really happy with how this cut through the grease. I wasn't expecting it to do such a good job, but it did just as good a job, if not better, than Swarfager. So I'm really, really excited about this, and it didn't smell as bad as Swarfager. It smelled quite nice and mild, so it didn't get the guinea pigs quite as worried, because I think that normally makes them feel a little bit more scared if there's really strong smells. And I'll just open it up to show you the inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and this is a really big tub, so this should last absolutely ages, and I'll definitely be using this product the next time I bath my guinea pigs, and I've been really, really impressed with how this works. And I would definitely recommend it to anyone who has boars or sows with active grease glands, because this really does cut through the grease, and I'm really happy about it. And then on to the shampoo, and I love the bottle this comes in. It comes with kind of a squirty pump rather than the bottles where you open the cap and pour some on. So I think it's a lot more controlled, the amount that you use for your guinea pigs, which I think is a really good idea, because I always get a little bit carried away and I've got a bit of a tendency to use more than I need, and I think this is going to be a really good way to stop me using so much, because I think with guinea pigs their skin can get dried out quite quickly if you use too much shampoo, because it can strip the natural oils from their skin. So I think this will be really, really good. It smells really, really lovely. It smells kind of, I can't put my finger on what it smells like, but it just smells like herbs and lavender. That's what it smells like. It smells absolutely lovely, but it's not strong smelling, because I find that with these sort of products they can be really, really strong smelling, and guinea pigs have got really sensitive noses. So I'm really pleased that it's quite a mild smell, but it does smell really, really nice. And so if we just take a look at the bottle, it's got these really cute guinea pigs on the front, and I did mess it up there a little bit when I used it when my hands were wet, but I think that's really, really cute. And it's got a website on here, pamperedpiggies.co.uk. It's especially for guinea pigs with a tendency to develop a greasy coat with bits of dander. So this is perfect for boars or sows with active grease glands, to use alongside the butt balm or whatever you're using to cut through the grease on their grease spot. This will really help that as well, and I think that's a great idea. So Nettle and Rosemary shampoos are also used by humans for hair loss and dandruff. Melon oil has been added for conditioning and not suitable for use on pregnant, lactating sows or guinea pigs under the age of 3 months. So you always need to check if you're using a shampoo that it is suitable for the guinea pig that you're using it on. I know a lot of shampoos aren't suitable for pregnant sows or really young pigs. And I think it's great as well that it's designed especially for guinea pigs. I'm always a little bit hesitant to use something that's made for a wide range of animals, because I think if something's specifically made for one type of animal, then it's normally going to be kind of better and tailored towards what they need. And then on here is just the ingredients. and the herb extracts and the essential oils. And here's the best before date 2014, and I'm really glad there's a best before date on here because a lot of products don't put a best before date on, and that always makes me a little bit suspicious if they've got kind of a shelf life forever. It makes me kind of wonder what preservatives and things they've put in. So overall I'm really happy with this shampoo. I've only used it on 2 of my 6 pigs at the moment, but from using it on those 2, it's got their skin really clean, and they've got a lovely glossiness to them and their fur's really soft and lovely. So I'll show you what the guinea pigs look like now they've been bathed. So I'm sorry about the lighting up here. It's getting to be winter, so the evenings are drawing in, so it's hard to film videos in the light. Gizmo, come here. So Gizmo's got a lovely fluffy coat at the moment. He looks really cute, and Jafar's really shiny, although he's got hay all over himself already. So I think the shampoo and the butt balm made the bathing the guinea pigs a much better experience, because I think without the strong smells it really kind of helped to keep them calm. So there they are. Oh, you're so cute. So yeah, I definitely recommend both of the products. I think they both work really well, and I'll definitely be using them again in the future.